guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amaya Solei, and today I'm back with another video. And for today's video, you guys are gonna watch me install this wig from DyHair777. This is a 613 frontal wig. It is 12 inches and 150 density. Okay, so I did try my best on this wig. Unfortunately, it really didn't come out how I wanted it to. Of course, I'm not a hairstylist. I tried my best. I don't think this style really suits me, but I do like blonde hair on me. I'll probably try like a middle part with some curls next time, but I do not think a blonde bang on me is really cutting it at all. But like in all my other hair videos, I will not be talking through this video, but I will come back at the end to give a hair review. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social medias down in the description box. Now let's just get right into this video. Well, y'all know we into this video, but stay tuned because it's about to get good. Y'all about to see how bad I really cut these bangs.
I got my money on Kate.
Okay, so before anybody tries to get on here and cancel me or whatever, I am not trying to mock Muslim, the religion or the culture. I actually was watching a movie and the girl had this on her head and some glasses as a disguise, and I was like, oh, let me try this because that kind of like looked cute. So I did it, and I don't see how it kind of looked on me. As for this hair, I actually really love this hair. I'm so sorry that I messed it up. It was so easy to straighten and straighten really good. It barely shed. So here's the final look without the scarf. It melted into my skin really easy. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. It did not tangle. It did not give me any problems. And this is the final look. I hope y'all loved it. I tried my best. I really hope y'all loved it. Thank you again, DyHair777. There will be a coupon code for this hair in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.